Okay, 2017 Mazda. We're gonna go ahead and change the rear brakes. Let me show you what you have to do. First thing you need to do is jack the car up. Once you jack the car up, get the lugs off. Okay, second step is you're gonna take the two bolts off the back. They 14 millimeters. Okay, get the two bolts out. This is the step you take just to change your pads. And this will lift off. You get a screwdriver just to pry up on it. Pry up on it like this. Just move it to the side like that. And you just wiggle this apart like that. Just like that, just slide it. Okay, so this goes in here like this. Like this. But what you want to do, you got this indicator that lets you know when you need brakes. So you need to slide this in here first like this on this metal piece. Slides in there like that. See, you got to make sure it goes in there. A lot of people would make this clip be on the outside, and that's wrong. They have to be on the inside. Okay, let me go ahead and do the back side, same thing. Okay, we got both of the brake pads in. So now what you have to do, you got to take a service tool to turn the caliper in. Some cars you push them in, and some cars you need a special tool to turn them in. That tool looks like this. So I got the adapter. Here's the adapter. So we have to turn that. So I ain't gonna be able to do this and hold this phone. So let me go ahead and get it turned in. So you see how much that's out? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it so it'll be flush with the caliper. Okay. Now if you see, this is lower. I got it twisted in. So now once you get that twisted in, you just sit it over both calipers like this. It'll slide down. You push the pins in. From there, you put your bolts back in, line your bolts back up. Okay, so once the two bolts are in and tighten up, you can go ahead and put the wheel on. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and pump the brakes so they'll squeeze the brake pads together. Okay, so like I was trying to explain to y'all before, if you put this clip on the outside like this, it's wrong. The clip have to go on the inside of this piece here. So let's take this off and put it on the right. I just did this to show y'all that it'll go together, but it's wrong because this piece have to touch when the pads get low, that piece have to scrape on the rotor to let you know that you need pads. to the side. 2 hands to do this probably. So look, so this piece, it goes inside, not outside, but it goes inside. You see I got the clip on the inside of that other pin. And you have to slide the pad down in an angle. Every car is different. I'm just explaining this on this Mazda. So then once that's in there, you go ahead and just push it in like that. Let's go ahead and do the back side. It's the same process. Okay, we got the back one in. Now you take your caliper, and we already turned this in. See how low it is? We already turned that in. So now you just take this and sit it on top. And then you take your screws, put your screw back in, line it up. Again, the back is 14 millimeter and the front is 13 millimeter. We're gonna do a front in a few minutes. Get this together here. Okay, let's go ahead and get the brakes changed on a 2017 Mazda CX-3. And you're gonna need a ratchet, and you're gonna need a 13 millimeter socket. Just take the 2 bolts out of the caliper, and it's handy to have a flathead screwdriver so you can pry the brake pads out. Let's go ahead and get it jacked up. Okay, these are the 2 13 millimeters I was talking about. Okay, and you just lift the caliper up, set it to the side. There's your screwdriver. Just push back, push down like that, and just pry them out. Okay, now that we got the pads off, we can go ahead and put the other ones on. A lot of times you got to slide the top in first. And slide the top in. Just like that. Slide the top in, it's a little slot. Like that, squeeze them together, just like that. Now, this caliper won't fit, so what you put this back on. Okay, so what you have to do, you need a compressor and an old pad. So you take the old brake pad, put it like that. Take the caliper, compressor, put it in like this. Then you just turn this, and it's gonna push the caliper in, so it'll clear the pads. Just like this. Just like this. You just do that until it's flush. Can't go no more, so that's it. This tube comes out, the old caliper falls out. Then you just, now the caliper will slide over the brake pads. And this here, you push this in, just like that. Then you get your bolts, line your bolts up. Again, a 13 millimeter for the front on a 2017 Mazda CX-3. And just like that. And just tighten them up. This is more deep into the brakes when you need a brake line, when you need to change the caliper. What I just showed y'all was just a simple change in the brake pads. And you do the same thing for the other side. The rear is a little bit different. Okay, now let's turn the wheel back straight, put the tire on, put the lugs on. That's it. All right, let's let the car down. Okay, the last thing you have to do once you let the car down, go pump the brakes. Okay, that's it, job done, brakes done all the way around. Now go and follow me on Facebook, TikTok, all social media, YouTube. Link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.